Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal. I'm going to be sharing with you guys some behind the scenes of running my e-commerce shop, Pacific Time. One of our first ever purchases for the shop was a Chromebook, what we needed to basically run the entire shop. So I want to thank Chromebook for collaborating with me on this and sponsoring this video. My husband and I have both worked, and we've had a plethora of different jobs, and our careers have taken all sorts of turns, but we've done YouTube pretty much full-time for the last 7 years, and a shop was an opportunity to diversify on my end a little bit and have something that I could share and that would make sense to share on YouTube, but I didn't have to. It was its own separate entity as well. I've gotten several emails from you guys asking me what made me want to start a shop and how the shop is run and a little bit of behind the scenes, so I thought I would share that with you today. The plan was always to start very small. For me, scheduling time frames where I can work is the only way that I'm able to balance home life, business, mom life, all of that, and then also having a small but efficient team that is very, very helpful to me. So scheduling my workflow and also my family life, I do it in 2 different ways. So I've been a fan of writing down my schedule in a planner for years and years and years. I still like to do that, so I have a master calendar in a planner form. And then I've gotten a lot better about using Google Documents and calendars, because whether it's on the e-commerce side or on the YouTube side, a lot of people use that to communicate and share. Now, the shop started as a very, very, very small shop in my house, and I showed a lot of the kind of behind the scenes on Instagram. It was in a little back room in my house. You can even see Byron back there working on the tractor while we're working and shipping out orders from the home. Once it got crazy, we have a small little office now. I do the majority of my end from home so that I could be at home as often with the boys. And then this is Shane. Shane is not only the co-founder of Pacific Time, he is the chief operating officer. He's also a member of the family. He's a part of my husband's side of the family, and he's been helping Byron and I with YouTube ever since Oliver was born. For the first several years of my husband and I doing YouTube as a business, we filmed each other and we did everything ourselves. And then we took on Shane after we had Oliver to just help us out with different things. So him and I co-founded Pacific Time together. We're all in the office today. It's just 3 of us working on Pacific Time. We use Shopify, which is our web host for the shop, and I'm adding new products on the site today. I'm also changing the homepage. So every season we try to change it. We also try to bring in products appropriate for that season, but we haven't even been in business for a year. So this year has definitely been such a learning process in terms of budgeting and managing everything for the shop. One of the reasons we really like our Chromebooks for the shop, and we have 2 that we all share and use amongst each other, is the touchscreen feature. Makes it really easy to go through the site, to update inventory. Another thing I love is that you can just flip the screen, turn it from a desktop to a tablet in less than 3 seconds, which makes going from answering customer emails to, say, checking inventory a breeze. Also, battery life is stellar, so it makes working all day long very easy as well. Right now, you'll see that I'm counting inventory. So making sure that our inventory is correct, that we have the appropriate numbers, that we don't over or undersell anything. And then I can know what our budget is to order new products, whether those will be seasonal or whether we have to refresh some items that we have sold out of. I feel like it's really important as a small business to define a budget, and that is the case obviously with running your own family life, but running any type of business, defining a budget, staying within that budget. As of now, we are a curation boutique shop, so we carry other vendors that we have found that we think are carrying products that we stand behind and that we want to represent in the shop. But we plan to move into our own products in the future. There's just a lot that goes into that, and it's really about timing and patience. We want to make sure our customers do know that we are a small business, so we do try to put handwritten notes into all of the boxes. So every single order is packed and shipped from the office. So Emily comes in and helps us pack. Shane packs. I've definitely packed more at the beginning. I don't do as much packing nowadays, but it's packed by one of the 3 of us and sent out from our office. Usually we have a system of packing the orders and writing the order number on the box. Then we print the labels and make sure the appropriate labels are on the appropriate boxes. And then we take those to the post office and they get shipped off to our customer. Some days we are going back and forth to the post office because we have tons of orders coming in. Some days we have slow days where it's only a few. For any business, social media is a great way to get the word out on what you're doing and what you're working on. So right now I was actually putting together a little gift card giveaway that we were doing on our Instagram page. And I have these tiles we just got from the store as like a backdrop, a really easy backdrop or wallpaper, this letterboard, which is a great way to announce a sale or a giveaway. So I'm taking the photos here, and then I'm going to schedule these to upload them on Instagram certain days, certain times, and get that all, scheduled ahead of time. My job primarily focuses on buying for the shop and also social media, promotional aspects, and also growth endeavors and opportunities for growing in the future. So I'm able to go back and forth between working on YouTube and working on the shop from home. Now, in the next year and the years to come, we're definitely interested in growing our categories, creating our own products. So I had a presentation for growth opportunities. I thought it was really important for this meeting to create a slideshow presentation. Chromebook has these amazing templates in their slides category, and basically you can just plug in your photos to their templates and create a really quick and easy slideshow. I was actually adding to it last minute while I was there. I brought a few products. Every few months, we get an opportunity to share our goals with an individual or group of individuals who are interested in collaborating with us or helping us accomplish our goals as a business. So it's really just a matter of being honest with where we're at, what our goals are, having a conversation, and seeing if there's a good fit. After taking what seems like hundreds of meetings over the years, some have worked out and transpired to greater opportunities, and some haven't. I think what I learned is that you got to get up there and try not to be anything that you're not. I was really honest about the shop and the fact that we're a really small business. Some days we sell items and some days we have really slow days. We're excited about what's coming. We're launching an eco-friendly category next year, reusable bags and products, and kind of going in that direction with the shop, creating natural products ourselves, but also what we're really excited to be curating in the products that we have. And I know that if I just keep going, I can add to it, I can change, I could better it. And that's with anything in life, and that's kind of my motto. So this is a little bit of what we've been doing in terms of the shop. I hope you guys found this video somewhat interesting and inspiring. And if you have an idea or something that you've been wanting to go for, the worst thing that can happen is that you fail in that particular endeavor. And I feel like with failure in most cases, it is really an opportunity to learn how to go about your next endeavor with different strategies and a different plan. And I always feel like it's an opportunity for growth in most cases. I also hope that maybe I can encourage you to take a leap of faith towards an endeavor that maybe you've had on your mind for some time. I want to thank Chromebook for sponsoring this video. Without technology, neither of my businesses would be in business. So I'm very thankful for that. It really helps, with everything, of course. And then thankful for you guys watching my channel, supporting my YouTube channel, and those of you who have supported my shop as well. It means so much to me. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.